Why are colon cleanses so important? Well, if we didn't need them, we wouldn't naturally be going to the bathroom every single day or every time nature is calling. The human body needs to eliminate waste material it produces, or digest if you want. If it doesn't happen, all sorts of waste products and toxins and substances can be reabsorbed into the bloodstream. The quicker you eliminate them, the better you will be. Okay, but what is the best way to do it? What is the best colon cleanse you can possibly get? So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 perfect ways you can do a colon cleanse to make sure you eliminate everything you need to get rid of on a daily basis. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel is a conventional doctor treating patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need online important quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of this video. I'm going to share some tips and video links related to this topic. Colon cleanses have gotten pretty popular, and so much so that there are now tens of different ways of how to do one. The truth is that it all comes down to knowing what exactly you can tolerate to do a colon cleanse. Some people like a more aggressive colon cleanse, so to speak, and others like it with a more softer touch. It all depends on what fits your needs. Now, no matter how you do it, there are many ways to make sure that you're using both an effective and a practical way to make sure you're cleaning your body. So in today's video, I'm going to reveal 5 perfect ways you can do a colon cleanse to make sure you eliminate everything you need to get rid of on a daily basis. Number 1, take flax seeds every single day. Adding flax seeds to your diet is one of the greatest ways you can do a colon cleanse, and not many people know about this method. Now, curiously enough, the best way to use them for this purpose is in ground form. Grounding flax seeds absorbs more water and expands in the colon, making sure it cleans off everything you need. They are very well known for aiding in stool passage, for example, but at the same time benefiting in removing toxins as they pass through your intestines. Very important. These seeds are also rich in ALA, which is a form of omega-3 fatty acids that have anti-inflammatory properties and can also relieve irritable bowel syndromes, for example. As a matter of fact, this seed is so spectacular as a colon cleanser that some medical trials have even found that ALA content in flax seeds can help protect against colon cancer. Now, when I say that it's a perfect colon cleanser, I'm not joking. If you want to try it, you can eat them whole, you can ground them, you can use them any way you want. It will still have the effect you are looking for. Oh, and one last thing about them is that they're also a good source of lignans, which are a type of plant compound known for have a positive effect in that colon protection or even colon cancer. If you need something effective that you can use to improve colon cleanses and health overall, look for Laxi Prune and Probillion from Finland at drlandivar.com. Number 2, coffee enemas. The ultimate goal of a colon cleanse is to help the colon and digestive organs eliminate toxins and waste products. Enemas actually work because they can cleanse the colon with a liquid, which can loosen that fecal matter and flush out all that accumulated waste. This is especially helpful in people who suffer from chronic constipation or have even liver damages, especially if you're going to use a coffee enema. By the way, coffee enemas are typically used as a natural treatment for several other health conditions and issues, including, for example, chronic pain, constipation, depression, fatigue, intestinal parasites, and even yeast overgrowth. In addition, coffee enemas are often used to boost mood, for example, also reduce stress, increase energy levels, improve digestion, and promote a better and sounder sleep. All of this just with coffee enemas. By the way, they originally got famous in aiding in the treatment and prevention of cancer. It was originally used as a component of the Gerson therapy, which specifically is used to improve the liver and colon cleanses. Very useful. And the only thing you need is real organic coffee. Real, pesticide-free organic coffee. Number 3, papayas mixed with oatmeal. One of the most incredible benefits of the papaya fruit, including its seed, is its capability of improving digestion and at the same time improving colon cleanses. Now, combining papaya with a fiber source like oatmeal is simply spectacular. As a matter of fact, several studies done in patients suffering with constipation have proven that eating oatmeal every single day reduces constipation recurrence by 45%. Now, this combined with other ingredients like papayas, aloe vera, and many others maybe that you may want to combine at home are an impressive way of doing a colon cleanse. It's natural, it's something that works, and papayas contain an enzyme called papain, which is a proteolytic enzyme which aids in digestion and cleaning of our intestines. Several new research studies have also identified that this enzyme is responsible for the papaya's renowned digestive properties. And remember, mixing papaya with oatmeal has both a cleaning ability and a anti-constipation, anti-heartburn, and even symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome might go away. What I suggest you do is maybe prepare yourself a juice, papaya juice with oatmeal mixed together. Perfect digestive aid and even a breakfast. If you need a good quality supplement that can improve your digestion with enzyme administration for better effect and action against bloating and any digestive condition, look for D-enzymes and Probillion from Finland at drlandivar.com. Number 4, eat lots of fruits and vegetables and fiber. There is no better way of doing a colon cleanse than the natural way. For example, fiber is known for scrapping all that junk being accumulated inside our intestines simply because it's unable of being digested. One of the most important micronutrients for a healthy diet and a colon cleanse is fiber, and you can find it in fruits and vegetables and other rough material that is undigestible. Plant foods, fiber, all these things that can actually clean your intestines without being digested. Think of fiber as being a permanent colon cleanser. It cleans out your colon permanently without that effort or without the hassle. You can find healthy plant foods like fruit, vegetable, grains, nuts anywhere. And this is the best way, or one of the best ways of doing a colon cleanse without the hassle. Remember that, with fiber and with all those micronutrients and all those antioxidants that you need. Number 5, famous enemas. Enemas are the most common type of colon cleanses out there. And you can do them generally with any ingredient you might be adding to clean your colon. It's just simply something that needs cleaning. You can do an enema with simply water, coffee, maybe salt water, seawater. You can do it in many ways. So how do you perform an enema? Well, you can prepare your enema with coffee, apple cider vinegar, maybe plain water, mixing them, doing it in many ways. What you need to try to use is filtered water instead of tap water. Make sure you boil it before you use it. You don't want harmful bacteria or parasites to go inside your system. Filtering your water will also get rid of those trace minerals or chemicals you might be adding into your colon that can end up being detrimental to your health. Then you need to choose a location. It's important to choose a location that's comfortable. Maybe the bathroom, because you're going to be using the bathroom right after you use that colon cleanse. The only thing you need to make sure is that you have enough room to lie down and to get up afterwards. It's important to stay close to a toilet also, which you need to keep extra towels to make sure you have something to clean yourself with. And it's also important to lie down on your right side when you do an enema. That way you make sure that all that liquid goes into your colon and does a very good job of cleaning and entering the body. So then you lie down on your right side for about 15 to 30 minutes before you release that enema, holding it until you can no longer. And that's it. You do that enema, you go do that colon cleanse, and that's all you need. Prevent further complications, prevent colon cancer, and get all that junk cleaned out of your body. And help out the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and sharing it with your friends and family. And if you have any questions, leave your comments down below. I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or a line and a point, visit Landivar.com and check out these other videos for anything that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.